Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Gruffalo. So I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Gruffalo, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little circle for an eye here. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw another circle for an eye over here. Inside each eye, we're just going to put a little black dot for the pupil. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's just going to come down. It's going to go down and then curve up for the nose. Then we want to put a big bump on here. Next, we'll draw a little line that's just going to come down. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down for the top of the head. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. And then we're going to make a long line that's going to curve up for the mouth. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then right across here, we're going to make some little zigzag lines for the chin. So we're just going to make some small little zigzag lines that curve up to make it look like he's got a furry chin. Next, we're going to make 3 little bumps on here for some teeth. We'll put another one down here. And another big one up here. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up and that's going to curve back down for his tooth. Then over here on the nose, let's make a little line that comes down. Then we're going to add 3 little whiskers on each side. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in for the chest. Then we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve down here for his body. Now, starting back here, we're just going to continue this line down. Then we're going to make this line come down. And then we're going to bring it straight down like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line in a little bit. And we're going to bring it down. I'll make a line that's just going to curve up for a finger. And I'll do that 3 more times. I'll make 3 little lines that just curve up for his fingers. Next, we're just going to curve this line up and then make it come straight up here. Then starting here, we're just going to bring this line down and then in. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and I'm going to make a little line that curves in for his knee. He's got those kind of big bumpy knees. Next, we'll draw a little line that comes down. And for his feet, I'll draw a little line that's just going to curve around. We'll draw one here, one more here, and then one final one right here. Then I'm going to bring this line out and up to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to curve in. And a little line down. We'll do the same thing we did over here for the feet. So we'll draw a little line that's going to go out and curve back in. We'll draw one here, one right here, and we'll make one more here. Next, we're going to bring this line in and then up. Now for this arm, we're going to draw a little line that comes down. Then we're going to make a line that comes up. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve in and then down for his thumb. We're going to make a long line that's going to come up and down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to curve down and another one that's going to curve down here. And then we'll put one more here. Next, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. Now let's make his ears. To start with his ears, let's draw a line that's going to come out and then it's going to curve back. We'll do that same thing up here. We're just going to curve out and then come back. And we'll put a little curved line inside each one for the inside. Right up here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up and it's going to come to a point and back down for the horns. We'll do another one here. We go up, curve it around, and bring it back down. Now back here, let's add his tail. We're going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come right back up here. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a pointy line that comes up to a point and then down. Now up here I'm going to give him some eyebrows. I'm just going to make a little kind of oval shape that goes up and down. And we're going to make another one up here for another oval shape. Now I want to add the little spikes on his back. So to do this, we're just going to make some little skinny spikes that come all the way down his back. So I'm just going to bring these all the way down until I get to the end of the tail. We're also going to add his claws on here. So we just want to make some little skinny V shapes here. We're going to make some up here. And then we're going to put some little claws here. And one more up here. Then we're also going to make some little skinny claws on his feet. We'll put 4 on each one. Now, just for some details, I'm going to add a little line underneath his eyes. And then I'm just going to put some little lines right along his body here, just for a little bit of texture, just to make it look like he's kind of furry. We're going to put some more over here too on his face. And you can just kind of add these little lines all over, just to make it look like he's got some furry texture to him. And we'll just put some more on his legs. And a couple on his tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Gruffalo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.